Wagwan. Welcome back to Tips and Tricks Tuesdays with Smart Girl Gardening. Today, as you can see, I'll be talking about my aloe vera again. And this is my propagation station. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I grow aloe vera from cuttings, how I water propagate my aloe vera. If you want more information and more details about how to care for aloe vera plants, check out this video right here. And for a full rundown of how I separated these pups from their mother Martha, check out this playlist here for my Aloe 101. Alright, you ready to jump in? So, Tips and Tricks Tuesdays, Tips and Tricks Tuesdays, Tips and Tricks Tuesdays. So these have been calloused off. So they have been calloused off, so it's dry. And oops, too much water. Now too little water. Voila. And there we go. So we'll give this some time and then hit you back with the update. Boom. I did these a few weeks ago, and this is the update to my water propagating my aloe vera pups, my aloe vera cuttings. And if you look even closer, let's give you a close-up of these babies. Do you see those roots? So healthy. So this is proof that it actually works. Just remember that you have to let it callus off, which means that you have it dry completely first, as in the tips that you cut from, before putting it in water. If you put the freshly cut tips in water, it will begin to rot on you. So let's give you another close-up on this one. And you can see these roots very healthy coming off there. Okay, let me see if I can take one out for you. So if you look closely, you can see the roots that are growing. And once they get a little bit longer, I'm going to transplant them into soil. When you transplant it into soil, you have to ensure that the soil is kept moist at all times so that the aloe vera doesn't go into shock, and then gradually reduce the moisture as it gets acclimatized to being in the soil. And that's it. Let's show you another one. There we go. And if you look closely, you can see that it's pushing out additional roots. Comment below and let me know if these tips and tricks work for you. Have you ever water propagated your aloe vera? And if you did it work out for you? If you have more tips and tricks for aloe vera propagation, let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, check out this video right here and also this playlist. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, later.